category Senior Competitive Solo Contemporary. From Studio AD, please welcome Savannah with Wildfire.
We all have those days where we just don't want to wake up, or even the air in the room holds you down. And there are days where you beg the universe for any hint of a sign, just something to let you know that you're even remotely close to the right path. The kind of days where you doubt who you are and where you are or where you're even going. You anxiously retrace all your steps, wondering where the hell you went wrong. And where was that place that all those lines became blurred and the rope forked like a serpent's tongue, convincing you that you didn't even know yourself from Adam? Was it there that you split off onto the wrong course? Now, had you taken the other road, you'd likely be in much better shape, right? Or better yet, maybe the world wouldn't have fallen apart like it has. We could all use a little faith in ourselves. We deserve that, don't we? Don't we? See, don't we deserve that? Don't we deserve to open our eyes and rejoice in the mere fact that we're alive, and that we woke up here, and that we can marvel in our existence? Isn't that good enough? Or is that too much to ask for? So hear me, my friends. Don't listen. It's a trap to think that you are not the infinite. It is a tragedy to believe even for a second that you are not the culmination of each incredible, improbable moment that led you to your existence. You heard me right. And the scars you carry, well, those are yours. So wear them with honor, like badges you've collected along your way. You are human. You're alive. Wake up. You're a wildfire. Burn bright. Burn bright. Burn bright.
Thank you, Savannah.